Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to change the engine oil of XL6. This is a new car. First service will be done at 1000 kilometers, second service will be done in 5000 kilometers, and the third service will be done at 10,000 kilometers. So during first and second service they will not going to change the engine oil. They will going to just wash the car and hand it over. And the third service they will going to change the engine oil. So the second service is done for my car, but as I said, the engine oil is not replaced, so I'm going to replace the engine oil. But so most of the people say, why you're going to replace the engine oil, but it's only 5000 kilometer. But as per my experience, as per my understanding, I want to change the engine oil. So in my car I want to change the engine oil after 5000 kilometer. Reason being, we have like a wear tear of a new engine a lot, like the metal particles. Again, metal particles will be filtered by the oil filter, but in any case I would personally recommend to just replace the engine oil of a new car in 5000 kilometers. So I will going to change the engine oil of this car and this oil filter. So if I talk about the oil filter, this is 0W16 recommended by Maruti Suzuki, and this is the genuine oil filter. So if I talk about the MRP of this engine oil, so it's 2813 rupees, and this oil is, and the filter cost me around 100 rupees. So I purchased this oil and filter from my known person, and I'm just buying for since long time. So there is a discount voucher as well in this oil, with this oil. So after discount, and this oil filter cost me around 1800 rupees. So the engine oil capacity in XL6 is 3.5 liter. The engine oil I will going to change after 5000 km, and then the next service of 10,000 km I will going to get the engine oil change, and after that every 8000 km I will get the engine oil change. So it's a very basic process. You have to open the drain plug, and after the engine oil will be come out, and replace the oil filter. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, so such kind of informational video you will receive the notification for them, and you can just easily maintain your car, scooty at your home. So let's start. You can see the oil filter is visible, that will going to be changed, and on the back side you can see the oil sump and the drain plug, which is visible from here. So once the plug is out, the engine oil will come out. So to open this that plug, you need a 14mm socket, or if you have a 14mm key, you can use that as well. So better thing is to use the socket, because there are less chances of slipping. So you can see the engine oil is coming out, it will going to drain out. Meanwhile, we will going to take the oil filter. So oil filter, you have a specific kind of this cap, or you can say the socket, which can be used. It will be installed here, like this way, on the oil filter, and once the socket is installed, you can open the oil filter. So once we're going to lose the oil filter, after that we will open it with our hands. There is another easy way. If you have a disposable plastic cup, you can just use that cup to hold this oil filter, and after that you can just take out the oil filter, so that all the oil will going to be collected in that glass. So this is the old oil filter, and this is the new oil filter. It's better to compare before installing it. Generally in Maruti parts there is no such kind of problem like mismatch of the part, so both are identical. So what I'm going to do, I will going to clean the place where the oil filter will be installed. After that I will going to apply the oil on this oil gasket, so that it's lubricated and didn't get cut. So the filters which are installed vertically, what we can do, we can pre-fill it. So in case if we are not pre-filling this oil filter, so when we start the car, the oil will first of all fill in this oil filter, and after that it will going to circulate in the engine. So it will take a bit of time to lubricate the engine. Let me show you the unique thing about the total engine. There is a seal. So this seal is, it's not easy to get this duplicate. So if you open the seal, so it can't be reused again. So you can see the whole seal is out, and you can see the mouth is clearly open. So let's fill the oil in the oil filter. So engine oil is filled in the oil filter, and let's lubricate the gasket with the same engine oil. Let's clean the area where we are going to install this oil filter first of all. So hold this area I have cleaned with the clean cloth, and after that, and let's install the filter. So once you hand tighten it, you can use again the same socket, and you can use a ratchet to tighten it. Now you have to clean the oil filter with a clean cloth so that you don't see any oil mark. So I'm also going to clean it with the brake cleaner so that there is no marks. So we are going to install the drain plug. Before installing the drain plug, make sure the washer is not damaged. If it's not damaged, you can use the same one. So let's install the drain plug. So we have installed the oil filter and the drain plug nut. So we're going to use the brake cleaner and clean both the oil filter and the volt so that it's cleaned properly. So we have installed both the things. So this is the dipstick. You have to take it out. You have to check the engine oil when you are going to fill the engine oil. So the bottom one is minimum, the top one is the maximum. So engine oil should not cross the maximum oil gen mark. So you can see currently it's totally dry, no engine oil in the chamber. So this is the place from where you have to fill the engine oil. Open it. Make sure you clean it before refilling the engine oil. You can see the timing chain is visible from here. This is the timing chain. So let's fill the engine oil. So we're going to fill almost whole engine oil, and during this we're going to also check the level. So you can see the color of the engine oil. The current color is translucent, and what you have taken out, it's almost brown in color. Now we're going to insert the dipstick and going to check the engine oil. So now check the engine oil level. So you can see the engine oil mark is not up to the top indicator. So we're going to fill the engine oil, whole engine oil in it. So now let's check it once again. So if you see, the engine oil mark is up to the max limit, so it's fine. And now just install back the cap and check the engine level once again. So if you see clearly, it's the engine oil level is up to the max mark, which is good. So if you see the color, so it's like the brown color after 5000 km only. So I will going to just cut the oil filter so to check whether there is any metal particles in it or not. So I will going to create a video and I will going to show that as well. So I've changed the engine oil after 5000 km. Next service will be at 10,000 km. At that time oil filter will be changed. After that the regular interval is 10,000 km, but I will going to change after 8,000 km. So that's it in this video. So if you like this video, give thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching DIY Guy. Take care. Bye bye.